Best Books Club presents Summary of Where the Crawdads Sing. Welcome back to our channel, Best Books Club. We're diving into the captivating world of Delia Owens' best-selling novel, Where the Crawdads Sing. We'll give you a summary and our thoughts on this mesmerizing story. So, let's get started. Set in the marshlands of North Carolina, Where the Crawdads Sing follows the life of Kia Clark, a young girl who grows up isolated from society. Abandoned by her family at a young age, Kia learns to survive on her own, earning the nickname the Marsh Girl from the locals, As Kia grows older, she becomes curious about the world beyond the marsh. She befriends a kind-hearted boy named Tate, who teaches her to read and write. Through their friendship, Kia discovers her love for nature and develops a deep connection with the marsh, Kia's life takes a dramatic turn when the town's golden boy, Chase Andrews, is found dead. The townspeople are quick to point fingers at Kia, and she suddenly finds herself at the center of a murder investigation. As the trial unfolds, we learn more about Kia's past and the secrets she's been hiding, One of the most striking aspects of Where the Crawdads Sing is its vivid portrayal of the marsh and its inhabitants. Delia Owens' background as a wildlife scientist shines through in her detailed descriptions of the natural world, making the marsh feel like a character in its own right. The novel also explores themes of loneliness, prejudice, and the resilience of the human spirit. Kia's journey from a neglected child to a strong, independent woman is both heart-wrenching and inspiring, making her a character that readers can't help but root for. In conclusion, Where the Crawdads Sing, by Delia Owens, is a beautifully written, captivating story that will stay with you long after you've turned the last page. If you haven't read it yet, we highly recommend adding it to your reading list. And if you have, let us know your thoughts in the comment box. Kindly comment, share, like, and subscribe. Best Books Club.